Keeping trace on my knowledge and experience, I would say that NCB has exhibited a total professional incompetence. When the informant is informing, he becomes your FIR maker. And if his information has been taken into consideration in form of FIR or station diary, he cannot become a witness because he is being considered as an interested party and he doesn't remain impartial, independent person to witness the thing. Number two, as I was listening to Bansali's statement, he is saying कि हड़कंप में हम लोग गाड़ी में बैठ के जा रहे थे और हमको बोला था कि आप दफ्तर में चलिए एनसीबी के, वहां कुछ पेपर पंचनामा पे साइन करने का है. That shows that Panchanama was not prepared on the place, and there is a indication that there might be some manipulation in the office when the document were prepared in the office. Otherwise, as per the standard procedure of investigation, such kind of Panchanama should be made right at the place and signature of the witnesses also should be taken right at the place. Number three and last, when NCB took a press conference, they exposed their witnesses, they exposed their informant. This is completely professionally unethical. There are so many cases in my lifetime, I'm telling you, because of such nonsense diversion of facts of investigation in the public, the cases has gone for acquittal. Are the NCB is trying to fetch a ground for acquittal? Then why this thing has been made? And hardened fact of the day that in this country, not a single investigation agency is out of the clutches of government.
Correct.
Central government agencies, all such agencies are working as per the direction and whims of the government.
Yes.
Very simple example. This man who says that Bhanushali,
Yes.
Bhanushali is saying कि मेरे को खबर मिली मैंने दी. अरे भाई तेरे को you only can have information of 3 grams. And what about that Kundra haul of 3,000 crores and 300 kgs of heroin and cocaine? What about that? There you do not want to concentrate. It means that because there is a son of celebrity, everybody wants to fetch a publicity in it, and it's very sorry state of affair. It's painful to a police officer, retired person like me, that the investigating agencies are going this way in this country. It is totally sad part of entire police administration. I would say.
Very strong words from you, Mr. Vanjari.
What NCP, Rashtrawadhi Party, would have done if they had full faith and trust on the constitution and law of this country. They would have approached the court of law and brought all the lapses, whatever they have brought on the political propaganda forum. They would have brought all these lapses to the notice of the court. Number one. Number two, regarding NCB, Narcotic Control Bureau, if there is some allegation made by the public or any political faction for their own political propaganda or advertisement, where is the provision for Narcotic Control Bureau officers to respond them? They are answerable to court of law of this country and not to any political party. They have also contributed as if they are a political faction and took a press conference in response to the press conference taken by Mr. Malik.
Yes.
It is totally unprofessional. No competent police officer, no deserving investigator will handle the thing in this manner. It is totally illegal because all what you are doing inter alia is to help the accused. In the court of law, you are facilitating accused to get acquitted from the court.
Okay, I think that's a very interesting point you're making, that the NCB as an agency is answerable only to the court. Why then is it holding press conferences and